and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, we're here to celebrate Duggee's birthday party, and we are going to be reading a very cool storybook. Let's begin. Hey Duggee, Duggee's party. Duggee is busy building a model when the clubhouse doorbell rings. Ding dong. There's somebody at the door, sing the squirrels. They race off to find out who it is. It's Delivery Chipmunk with a parcel for Duggee. I wonder what's inside, says Betty. It's wrapped up like a present, says Rolly. Happy gasps. It must be Duggee's birthday. Yeah, everyone agrees. We should have a surprise party for Duggee, cries Tig. What do we need? Asks Betty. Duggee will know, says Nori. He has his party badge. The squirrels rush over to Duggee. Wait, calls Tig, stopping everyone in their tracks. We can't ask Duggee. If we do, his party won't be a surprise. We'll have to do it ourselves. The squirrels' jaws drop. Duggee always helps them. Rolly looks for the party balloons, but he can't find them anywhere. Duggee, where are the party balloons? Woof, 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 replies Duggee. In the balloon box, says Rolly. Of course. Then he whispers to Duggee, we're not doing you a party, and runs off. Balloons, balloons. Rolly pumps up lots and lots and lots of balloons. More balloons. Soon the whole clubhouse is full of party balloons. I think that's enough balloons now, Rolly, cries Betty. Nori and Happy want to make paper chain decorations, but they need a little help from Duggee. Snip, snip, snip. Duggee is good at making paper chains. Woof, says Duggee. Thanks, Duggee. Betty and Tig decide who to invite to the party. Enid, Frog. They make some colorful invitations. Invitations ready. They cry, running off to deliver them. Come to Duggee's surprise party, say Betty and Tig, hand-delivering each invitation. Be there or be square. Balloons done, decorations done, invitations done. What's next? Birthday cake, cheer the squirrels, jumping up and down. Bread, raisins, cake made, says Betty. Let's decorate it with everything Duggee likes. Custard and spaghetti, says Tig, adding dry spaghetti strands to the cake. Lettuce and sprinkles, adds Happy. Soon after, the guests arrive, and the squirrels call Duggee over. Surprise! Happy birthday, Duggee! Woof, says Duggee, surprised and confused. It's not your birthday? Asks Nori. But we saw Delivery Chipmunk bring you a present. Duggee shakes his head and opens the parcel. Inside are little figures for Duggee's model. Happy gasps. Look, Duggee's model is all of us in the clubhouse. They're having a party, cries Nori, and so are we, adds Betty, giggling. Time for cake, cries Tig excitedly. Duggee's surprise cake looks amazing, and everyone tucks in. Urgh! Duggee's surprise cake doesn't taste amazing. Never mind, the party is still lots of fun. Haven't the squirrels done well today, Duggee? They have definitely earned their party badges. Woof! Now there's just time for one more thing before the squirrels go home. Duggee hug. The end. Wasn't that such a good story, you guys? Guess what, Tiny fans? Now it's time for Duggee to open up one of his presents from us. Real Littles Micro Mart. This is so cute. Do you want to open it, Duggee? Woof! Look, Duggee, you got Eggos. They're Choco Toast chocolate chip. Goodness, that's tasty. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. It's a little waffle Shopkin. Look, you also got Hunt's tomato ketchup. It's wrapped. Oh, that is so cute. It's a little ketchup Shopkin. There was a bunch of other things that Duggee could have gotten, like waffles, pancakes, cereal, custard, hot dog, pies. There were so many things. Duggee, are you happy with your gifts? Woof! And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.